Ensure professional tile installation with QEP's new lippage control system, the LASH 360. LASH 360 is a two-part system that can be used with tile up to 3/4 inches thick. It's designed to prevent lippage by leveling your tile surface to avoid tripping hazards. Part A. The tile leveling caps are reusable caps designed to hold tile at an even height. Part B. The tile leveling stems provide an even 1/16 inch grout line and align neighboring tiles of the same thickness. Use a QEP 1/4 by 3/8 by 1/4 or larger square notch trowel. Install LASH 360 in 3 easy steps. Place the stem under the tile and into the mortar. Spin the reusable LASH 360 cap onto the stem. Once the mortar is cured, tap to remove stems at the breakoff point, and be sure to save the tile leveling cap so they can be reused for future projects. LASH 360 is available in 3 stem designs. Use Part B for inline, Part C for 3-corner, and Part D for 4-corner installations. Save time while achieving professional results by using LASH 360 on your next installation.